Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a recipe, okay? So, I'm not going to cook all this at once. I'm going to be cooking it throughout for different recipes. But this chicken breast pack was actually on sale. The cheapest I've ever seen it, by the way. Yeah, it was actually a really good deal. As you can see, the price of it's like 13 bucks, so couldn't pass that up. And I have some Organic Girl Super Greens mix that I'm going to be using. So I like this because it's quick for your greens, and I also have some cauliflower. This was also on sale. So why I like the greens is that you can just grab it and put it in without doing a lot of preparation work. So I'm going to be doing an Instant Pot recipe. So I'm going to be cooking probably 2 chicken breasts and some cauliflower and some carrots, and then mixed it with some rice, and then I'll be back. So I have the chicken breast in my Instant Pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up with a little bit of water in there, and then it's gonna cook, and then I'm gonna actually add in the vegetables, and then like carrots. I'm not gonna put in the greens yet. I'll put in the greens at the end, and then I'll put in some rice, and then we'll cook all that, and then should be good to go. So check that out. The chicken breast is fully seasoned, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, it is done. As you can see, the rice is all fluffy. If you follow my instructions, you generally always get pretty perfect rice all the time. So here is, let's do a quick taste test. The rice. It's really good. You get the flavor of everything. Now all I'm going to do is add the greens to it now, and then it'll go really well. So I'll be right back. Guys, just as a quick side note, if you guys were wondering about the chicken, it is so tender. That chicken is so good. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.